Welcome to our channel, Mathematics Resource Center. Pause the video, read through the question, and we are ready to begin when you are. Which of the following is not a quadrilateral? For a question like this, 2 seconds. By the time you read the question, you should come up with the answer. So looking at the question, a square is a quadrilateral. A quadrilateral has 4 sides. So a quadrilateral, 4 sides. Parallelogram, 4 sides. Rhombus, 4 sides. The only thing that's left, so all of these has 4 sides. The only thing that's left is a pentagon. So our answer is pentagon. And that brings us to the end of our video. Remember to like and subscribe.